Would you suggest switching to investing and trading, considering layoffs during this pandemic era, wherein a lot of many jobs have vanished? Yeah. So I would never ever quit your job to become a trader. Trading doesn't work. And the market was up a bunch last year, and that's why people did well. It's true. One data point or 1 year does not make a trend. And it's impossible to make money consistently as a trader unless you're a hedge fund breaking the law. And the reason it's impossible is because if you think about it, each month has 20 trading days. That's 20 weekdays. The reason stocks go up and down within 20 days is usually for reasons outside of our control. It could be saber rattling between Riyadh and Moscow regarding, I don't know, the price of oil. Or it could be saber rattling regarding trade issues between Beijing and DC. So you can't control this sort of thing. Or it might be another company released earnings in the same sector that were good or bad, which move the stock you're investing in. Or it might be some healthcare related press release or vice versa, whatever it is. You cannot trade and make money. How do I know that? Because we can't name a single trader that's been successful longer term. They don't exist. They don't exist. Yeah. You got to be a long-term investor. Like Warren Buffett said, the longer the view, the wiser the intention. And in my courses and in my MBA degree programs, I teach you how to be a much, much better investor, but not a trader. It's like going to a casino. If you go to a casino one time and you win money, you're like, oh my gosh, this is great. I can make a career out of this. That's what trading is. It's very, very dangerous. Yeah.